Yes, hello ladies and gentlemen. This video will help you solve a question that is like question 2 of day 3 of week 1 in your FSA packet. So this question says, the highest point of a certain mountain is 7,000 meters above sea level. The lowest point of a certain trench of the ocean is about 9,000 meters below sea level. Is the elevation halfway between the peak of the mountain and the trench above or below sea level? So is the elevation halfway between the peak of the mountain and the trench above or below sea level? So what it's asking is we need to find the halfway point between both of them and see if it is indeed above or below sea level. So first we need to start with sea level. We'll draw our little sea level there, and we're going to have a mountain here, and we know the highest point of the mountain will be 7,000. Okay, and then we have a trench, which is just like a valley. So there's a valley at the bottom of the sea level, and we'll say that is going to be at 9,000 below, or a negative 9,000. And this is sea level at 0. So just like the question in the previous video, we need to find the distance between here and here. So we do it the exact same way. We need to find the distance from 7,000 to sea level, and we need to find the distance from negative 9,000 to sea level. So we'll start with 7,000, and we know if we take the difference, we would subtract a negative 9,000. Okay, and just like before, we know that 7,000, when two negatives are next to each other, they make a positive when we're adding, or when we're combining them, excuse me, and we're going to add that to 9,000. Okay, 7,000 plus 9,000. We just know 7 plus 9 is 16, and then we'll add 3 zeros, so we have 16,000. Okay, now it wants to know what is the halfway. What is halfway between them? So halfway would have to be this number cut in half. So we would basically take this number here, 16,000, and divide it by 2. That's cutting it in half, dividing it by 2. So we know if we cut this in half, we are going to equal 8,000. 8,000. So now we got to figure out, is it above or below sea level? So if we start at 7,000 and we subtract 8,000, so we're going to go down 8,000. We know 7,000 will get us to sea level, but we still need to go another 1,000 below sea level. So this will be 8,000 here. So we know it is definitely below sea level. Alright, I hope that video helped. Stay tuned for more.